Coming up with sweat-proof makeup. One of the common problems that most women face is how to come up with sweat-proof makeup. This is especially common among women who live in tropical countries or places where summer can get really hot. Makeup can get all messed up due to sweat and excess oil causing smudging. The trick here is to carefully choose products that will suit your skin and how to use them properly. Be oil-free. Oil-based makeup is definitely not the best thing to use, especially if you tend to sweat a lot. Go for water-based cosmetics, or for your concealer and foundation, go for the matte ones. It would be ideal to avoid heavy moisturizers as it will only cause clogged pores, causing the skin to look shiny and slippery. Use primer. Primers are useful in creating a good base. This is usually applied first before concealers, foundations, or eyeshadows. It allows makeup to last longer and helps bring out the color more. Using primer can even help in lessening the shine of the face because of oily skin. Beautiful eyeshadow throughout the day and night. Eyeshadows come in different shades and can transform your face and shape the eyes. There are eyeshadows that are in cream to powder formulas that first appear in cream form and transforms into fine microparticles when applied onto the skin. Formulas like this are light on the skin and give a more natural finish. But for those who have oily skin, this type of eyeshadow formula must be avoided. But if you happen to be interested in using it, make sure to apply primer first. Until the next video, thank you for watching.